Every morning, Anirudh woke up with a list already running in his mind. Bills, deadlines, expectations, unanswered messages. Small worries stacked on top of bigger ones, until they felt impossible to carry. He often wondered why life felt heavier for him than for others. When he looked around, people seemed to move forward easily, laughing, achieving, living. Meanwhile, his own days felt like a continuous struggle to stay balanced. One evening, exhausted from thinking, Anirudh visited an old carpenter who lived at the edge of the town. The man was known for repairing things most people had given up on. Anirudh watched silently as the carpenter worked on a broken chair. The wood was cracked, the legs uneven, the structure weak. "This chair has many problems," Anirudh said. The carpenter nodded. "Yes, and each one tells me where to fix it." "Anirudh, wouldn't it be easier to throw it away and start new?" The carpenter paused. "Only if you don't care about sitting." Anirudh stayed quiet. The carpenter continued. "Problems aren't there to punish us. They point to what needs attention. Ignore them, and everything collapses. Face them, and something strong takes shape." That night, Anirudh returned home. His problems hadn't disappeared. The bills were still there. The deadlines hadn't moved. Nothing magical had changed. But something inside him had. He stopped asking, "Why is this happening to me?" He started asking, "What is this asking of me?" Slowly, one issue at a time, he began to repair instead of resist. Some problems took time. Some left scars. But none of them felt meaningless anymore. Anirudh realized that life without problems doesn't exist. Life through problems does. So friends, problems are not barriers to life. They are the structure through which life is shaped. If this video helped you, help someone else by sharing it. And don't forget to like and subscribe.